Now we're going to check if 2 and 3/8 and 1 1/2 are proportional to 9 1/2 and 6. So what does that really mean? We set up this proportion. 2 and 3/8 is to 1 1/2. So this is a ratio. Is this ratio equivalent to the ratio 9 1/2 to 6? So how do we check if this is a valid proportion? The way we do this is by cross multiplying and checking if both sides of the equation are equal. So when we cross multiply, we take 2 and 3/8, which is the numerator on the left, and multiply it with 6, which is the denominator on the right. We take 9 1/2, which is the numerator on the right, and multiply it with the denominator on the left. Simplify both sides. So the way we multiply mixed numbers is by converting the mixed numbers to improper fractions. 8 times 2 is 16, 16 plus 3, 19 over 8 times 6. And we're going to just put an equal to here. We don't know, we're going to check. So that's 19 over 2. 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19 over 2 times 3 over 2. So let's check. So that's 19 times 6 is 3 times 2 divided by 4 times 2. That's the left side. And 19 times 3 over 2 times 2 is the right side. Here we do have a common factor, and there are no other common factors because 3 and 19 are odd, and 4, the only factor of 4 is 2. So nothing else works. So 19 times 3, 9 3s are 27, so that's 57. Divided by 4, and the same number, 19 times 3 is 57 over 4. What this tells us that the left side is equal to the right side, which is the same as saying that this is a valid proportion. 2 and 3/8 over 1 1/2 is indeed equal to 9 1/2 over 6. If they were not equal, and if this was not a valid proportion, we wouldn't get something that is equal. So the very fact that these two numbers are equal tells us that this is a valid proportion.